Hello video creators, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can put any image or video inside a text by using the track-made key effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's go straight to my laptop. Inside Premiere Pro I have already loaded this video in a timeline, and the next thing I will do is hit T and click anywhere on the screen. Then I'm gonna type down video, press escape and then V, and also increase the size of the text like that. After that, I'm gonna click anywhere on the screen and deselect the text layer. By the way, you can use any type of text styles or any size of it as well. It's up to you what kind of text you want to use for your video. Then after we have created this text, I will go down to effects and type track. From there, I'm gonna grab the track-made key effects and upload it to the video. Next, I'll go to the effect control panel, scroll down to the track-made key effect, and from there, I will go to mate and change it from none to video number 2, where is the text layer. And straight away, this is gonna place the video inside the text. And now, if you're not happy with the text style, you can click on it and then click on the text and probably increase it a bit more so you can see more of the video. Just gonna make it smaller like that, and over here it's perfect. And like that you can put any video inside a text. Also you can do exactly the same with a image, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. I have already uploaded image and I will grab it and place it into the timeline. Then I'm gonna place the cursor to the image and increase the size of it so it can match the size of the screen like that. And the next thing I will do is go on to the text, select it, hold out, and with the right button of the mouse, copy the text and place it over the image like that. And I'm gonna move the cursor, and as you can see now we've got a text, but the image is outside the text. To do that, again, I'm gonna go to the video number 1, go on to the track-made key effect, press Ctrl and C, then go to the image, click onto the effect control and press Ctrl and V. And like that, we copied the track-made key effect and apply it to the image. And as you can see now, we've got a image inside the text. But to make this effect even better, I will animate the text, so we're gonna have a smooth transition. So to do this, I'm gonna click on to the text layer on the video number 1 and then go to the effect control and click on scale. From there, I'm gonna decrease the size of the text, something like that, and create our first keyframe. Then I'm gonna move the cursor somewhere at the middle of the video and increase the text again, like that. Go to the position, move the cursor at the beginning of the video, create our first keyframe over there, and then I'm gonna move it back at the middle of it and move the text further to the left so we can cover the whole screen. Next thing I'll do is select the second keyframes, click with the left button of the mouse, go to temporal interpolation, click on Bezier, then again with the left button of the mouse and ease in. Then I'm gonna go to the first keyframe, select them, the left button of the mouse, Bezier, again the left button of the mouse and ease out. And like that we have created this cool smooth text animation, which is gonna make this video in text effect much better. And of course you can do exactly the same if you're using a image. So to do this, I'm gonna go to vector motion and make sure that you selected the text layer, press Ctrl and C, then go and select the text layer where is the image, go to vector motion and press Ctrl and V. And like that we have created this text animation onto the image as well. So let's see. Brilliant. And that's all guys, that's how you can create this video in text effect in Premiere Pro by only using the track-made key effect. It's super easy and simple, and everyone can use it from beginners to more advanced Premiere Pro users. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you'd like to see more tutorials about Premiere Pro, you can check the videos at the end of this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah, yeah.